Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman here, the Stock Whisperer, with today's daily dark pool whisper for September 18th, 2019. Big day today. We got the Fed meeting. Keep in mind, let's not try to analyze what decision they made. Instead, we'll probably have that 3-point move up, down, up, down, up, down. However we close near the end of the day, right before the close, I evaluate where the major indexes are. And if we close strong, go with it. If we close weak, go with it. I've put bonds, banks, gold, oil, everything into this whisper with very large range targets just in case we get a big move in both directions. I want you to be prepared. There's nothing like trying to figure out your target when the market's moving crazy. So this is why I like to do my work in the morning and get all my levels. All right, let's start with the SPY. Bullish above 301. And these are all my targets going up to 303.10, which is R3, person's pivots. Bearish below 299.25. There's my targets going all the way down to S3, person's pivots. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 3,007. And bearish below 3,000. For the E-minis. The Russell, still watching that major level 157. We kind of just bounced off of it, around it all day yesterday. Don't think they're going to move this until, of course, after the meeting. So bullish above 158, bearish below 157. Guess what we got yesterday? Major dark pool level on the QQQs. I pushed out some notifications. It totaled to 4 million at 191.64. So this is going to be the key level watching today near the end of the day. Are we bullish above, bearish below? No thinking. I do have a bull level 192.50 this morning to watch. Bearish below 191.50. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. We're going to be bullish above 79.12 and bearish below 78.90 for the NASDAQ. You can see there's support here. See, if we do go down another time, we most likely wouldn't hold it. And let's go to the Russell futures, bullish above 1587.50 and bearish below 1579. I have those for you this week because we did have a lot of dark pool on the Russell. So for you futures traders, you definitely want to watch that. Let's go to the oil. Oil futures, we're going to be bullish above 59.20. We had some oil prints yesterday on USO. I'm going to go over that in a minute. And I'm going to be bearish below 58.25. Let me just show you that chart. Let's go zoom in here. Okay, so bullish above 59.20. That would be above this pivot. All right. And we're going to be bearish below 58.25. We're right there right now. And you can see we're holding. And look at the volume that just came in once again. I used the pre-market volume from this morning. And yeah, those quarter levels are really, really strong. Yeah, the market trades off quarters, especially the oil market. So that is key to watch. Looks like we might... see what the low of this candle is. 58.09. Okay. Yeah, if we go below 58.09, it means they no longer want to buy at that level. That would be uber bearish. So watch that level. Gold futures. Gold will mostly have a big move off this Fed. It always does. A lot of times they do fake it in one direction. So again, you have kind of two trades going on today, the pre-Fed and the post-Fed. Yeah, it's two separate things. That's how we like to trade them. So right now, pretty bullish above 15.10. That was my whisper. I did post out these levels earlier. And bearish below 15.05. Those are going to be really key. Okay, let's go to the individual stocks. AMD had very big prints. Millions and millions. Yesterday was kind of a splash day. We splashed up and I showed you this wedge. We were unable, to close above the wedge. We're still stuck right there. I have a feeling we're going to become unstuck by the end of the day though. So bullish above 31.06 And look where we went to. Look at that. Amazing. That's a teeny right there. Computers are still trading off 16ths and 8ths. And that's why you'll see me using them in my levels. Save me a lot of money. A lot of times they take it above a major level and they take it up 6 cents. Sometimes they'll take it 12 or even 20 cents. The first test, pulling back. You want to wait 25 minutes later to the second test. Yeah, and if you don't know about that, you should definitely get my book, Dark Pool Secrets. I share all of my day trading and swing rules in that book. Just go to darkpoolsecrets.com. It's free. Just got to pay for shipping. That's it. So we're going to be bearish below 30.60. I did put a strangle on AMD, but I'm waiting to add to the right side. If we close weak today, I will add to the puts, but I will go closer in time and closer in strike, and I'll call that out in the Java Pit Trading Room. Let's go to FedEx. FedEx did not do well. Yeah, this is not a great sign. So housing is looking good, but transportation, not so much. So definitely mixed market indicators, right? So what's the Fed going to do? Well, we'll find out soon. Today we're going to trade FedEx based off that pre-market price action. For a retracement trade, bullish above 157.50 to about this area. 160 is a major level, but wherever these moving averages are, the simple 30, the simple 20, these are majors, and there's computers loaded to sell there. But 160, they'll definitely have computers selling at that level. However, it may turn down again and get even uglier. So bearish below 154. Let's go to USO because we got big prints on that yesterday once again. 1231 and 1237, we are below those prints. I'm only going to be bullish above 1251. Yeah, 1252 actually. 1251 was another print we got 2 days ago. Yeah, we need to break above that for me to turn bullish again on oil. Okay, right now we're below the prints. This is a bearish engulfing candle as well. And we're going to be bearish below 1211. It's going to be kind of tough on the short side because we have some traffic. So we will retrace to the 8. Right now it got stuck here. Let me just zoom in on this. Let me just show you. So first we have this 120 simple moving average right here. If you don't have this on your chart, put it on it right now. 120 SMA on a daily chart. It's magnificent. Yeah, one of my favorites. Computers will be loaded to buy there. So really it's got to break below that and then it can go down to about 1201. There's no traffic right here, but it'll take a bounce and then the second test, then it will come down to about this area, 1190. So it's kind of a toughish kind of trade on the downside. All right, FCX. Oh my goodness, I love trading Freeport, especially when we have 2.8 million prints, you guys. This is massive. If you recall, we had massive buy prints not too long ago at 908, 930, and 950. I think my whole entire trading room rocked this all the way up. Now we have this new set of prints that came in yesterday at 1041. $10.41. Are those guys that bought it down here selling? Well, we can guess till the cows come home, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be bullish above 1055 because maybe they're buying more and we're going to go up even higher. Or maybe they're selling and we're going to go all the way back down. So we're going to be bullish above 1055, bearish below 1025. And I also put a strangle on this one. I will add to the right side very soon, probably after the Fed. Okay, so GLD, bullish above 142.12, bearish below 141. It could be a wild ride today. TLT also bonds. We had a lot of interesting other bond prints yesterday. So watch TLT. We're going to be bullish above 140.20, bearish below 138.80. Natural gas heating up this morning, a lot of volume. We had prints on UGAS. I don't trade UGAS. You shouldn't trade it. It's crazy, ridiculous. But trade UNG off the UGAS prints. So UGAS had prints at 2304 and 2369. If it goes above 2369 and UNG is above 2330, I love it. There's a nice trade set up from here to here. Bearish below 23. All right, if we do go down below 23 and UGAS is below those prints, that's how I like to trade natural gas. I don't love natural gas. I'd rather trade oil, but it's hot this morning. There's a lot of volume. Snap was one of the best trades yesterday on the Whisper. I know Jay the Trader rocked that one. He also put a video out. So awesome job, Jay, using the levels. And I know David M called it out in the Java pit. He was screaming Snap, I think, for a couple days. So awesome call out from you, Dave, on the option trades. But we had big prints as well. And we had more prints yesterday, 1680 and 1676. We're right in that print area right now. So watch this. If it goes above 17, there's an awesome trade to the upside. And if it goes below 1650, they were selling yesterday. So watch those levels. Let's go to Apple. Apple, we're going to be bullish above 221.50. We had a big print yesterday at 219.92 and bearish below 219.50. Bank of America could have a nice move after the Fed. Bullish above 30.12 and bearish below 29.50. So there you have it. Those are your whispers of the day. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.